Go get him.
Oh. Look at that, it's up to her chest.
Boingy, boingy, boingy.
I am Pepe Le Pew. Boing, boing. Bear's like, yeah, I'm gonna lay down.
You wanna go get him, Bear?
No, he's busy peeing.
What are you doing, Bear?
Bear.
Oh, he's got to poop.
Uh-huh.
Oh. Oh.
Did you hear her jaws are snapping? Oh, don't run in the mud, you idiot! Why did she do that?
I don't know.
Oh, Jesus, look at it.
Go get him, Bear. You're just happy to lay down in it, aren't you?
Uh-huh.
There you...
Did you get that?
Uh-huh. What? No.
Yeah, but he doesn't want to play in it. He just wants to lay in it. Go, Gracie!
What? Go get him. Go get him, Bear. Go get him. Go get him.
Look at her. She's got her face down in it. Dog. What's he eating? Sammy!
No.
Oh, you eating snow?
Uh-huh. See? He's just eating snow. What you doing, Pooh Bear?
I think I'm laying in it, Daddy. Get him! She is foofy, look at her.